The support of autonomous surface vehicles in Teledyne PDS ASVs with the Seafloor AutoNav system. The Seafloor ASV, equipped with the AutoNav system, is supported by Teledyne PDS. Teledyne PDS offers you a control view to set up and control your mission. In this movie we will show some remarks to configure PDS for the ASV, the AutoNav control view. How to load a line plan. How to edit a line plan. And the mission control functions. Let's first take a look to the configuration. Open the vessel configuration. It's the same as a common PDS project. In the geometry page, we have defined our device offsets. Press the Add button to add an offset. You can select a standard shape, or a custom shape, to visualize the ASV in acquisition. In the equipment page, are our devices selected and configured. The device driver needed for the ASV, equipped with a Seafloor AutoNav module, is listed in the Autopilot Output Device group. We see the AutoNav device driver. Add this driver to the equipment list. Do this also for all other devices on the ASV. PDS supports a variety of sensors. For the multibeam system, for instance, the ASV suitable PicoMB, Norbit, ODM-MB2, or recent T-series multibeams. The added equipment is shown in the equipment list. It depends of your ASV survey setup what equipment is added. In this example is besides the AutoNav device and multibeam device, also a positioning system and heading sensor added to the equipment list. This is because these sensors were added in this survey for a better positioning accuracy and higher update rate. Now, set the I/O settings and the properties of the added devices. To do this for the AutoNav device, first, click on it to select it. Then, press the I/O button to set the I/O. The interfacing dialog opens. Radio telemetry signals are used to communicate between PDS and the AutoNav unit. For this purpose is the computer equipped with a USB radio telemetry device. The driver of this device is part of the Seafloor Mission Planner software. Windows assigns a COM port for this device when connected. Select the COM port of the USB telemetry device and set the port parameters. By default is the baud rate of the USB device 57600 baud. Press the Add button to add a new port if it is not listed. Double-click on the AutoNav device to open its device properties. The device offset is the offset of the ASV position system. Set also the properties of the AutoNav computations. Double-click on each computation property to open it. The important computation property to set is the reference point computation property. The other AutoNav computation properties can left to the default settings. PDS has the device driver documents to help you setting up devices. Double-click on the document symbol in front of the driver to open the document. The device driver document gives you all necessary information to set the I/O and the properties of the device. Refer to this AutoNav device document to set up the AutoNav properties and I/O. Set the I/O and the properties for all the added devices and computations. When the devices are configured, it is time to start acquisition. Start acquisition. We have to add the AutoNav control view. Right-click in the title bar and select from the device control group the Autopilot Output AutoNav view. The AutoNav control view opens. The view comprises a left pane, a plan view, and a message view. From the left pane we control our mission. We can load a line plan and change tuning parameters, influencing the navigation and autopilot behavior of the ASV. The plan view shows the line plan, the current position of the ASV, the status of the waypoint navigation, and the battery status. The message view shows the received and transmit messages to the AutoNav system. Using the AutoNav Control view. Let's have a look how to use the PDS AutoNav Control view. From the Mission Plan buttons we can load our line plan, run lines, routes or waypoints. To start or stop the mission of the ASV, or other mission options, use the Mission Control buttons. A route or a line file is created in the PDS Guidance Editor. Open from the PDS Control Center the Guidance Editor, or open the guidance from the acquisition by pressing the Guidance button. In the guidance, we can create new or edit existing run lines or routes, for example in the Run Lines page. Press Edit to edit an existing run line, or press New to create a new run line file. Let's press New to create a new file. Enter a name. Press Save. The Guidance Editor opens. Create your run line file. We press New. And in this example we make a run line file from a drawn polygon. Like this. See the Guidance Instruction Movie or the Guidance Manual for an explanation of the Guidance Editor. We save the file and exit the Guidance Editor. When the run line file or route file is created, we have to load it. For example, a run line file. Press the Load PDS Run Lines button to load a run lines file. Select the run line file. In this example, the run line file with the name Echo Boat, and press Open. Enter the waypoint spacing and the lineup shape. The lineup shape is the shape of the connection between two lines. This can be straight, a U shape, or a V shape. More waypoints are created if you enter a smaller waypoint spacing in the line. The ASV navigates from waypoint to waypoint. Do not create too less or too much waypoints. The QGC waypoint file is created from the loaded line plan and is shown in the plan view. The first waypoint is the home position. The arrows indicates the sailing direction. Now, first press the Mission Clear All button to clear an earlier mission from the AutoNav system. Then, press the Send Waypoints button to send the created QGC waypoints of the shown line plan to the AutoNav system. The AutoNav system will use the received line plan to navigate the ASV. And now we can start our mission. Press the Start Mission button. The ASV will navigate to the first waypoint and follow the line plan. Press the Stop Mission button to stop the mission. Press Resume Mission to resume a stopped mission on the next waypoint. Or press Resume Previous Waypoint to resume a stopped mission on the previous waypoint. Press Loiter to loiter the ASV on the current position. Press Return Home to return to the home position. Editing a line plan. A loaded line plan can easily edit it in Teledyne PDS. You can edit a line plan in the plan view, or from the Guidance Editor. Let's first show how you can edit a run line or route in the AutoNav plan view. Be aware, the loaded run line or route you like to edit must also be the active run line or route in PDS. Open the Guidance menu to set the active route or run line. Open the Route page to set the active route. Open the Run Lines page to set the active run lines in PDS. Let's open the Run Lines page. Select from the drop-down list the same file as you selected earlier from the left panes. Load PDS Run Line file. The file you select here will be the active file. In this example, we loaded earlier the Echo Boat run line file and therefore we select it here as well to make it the active one. Only active files can be edited. With the active file the same as the QGC file, we can enable the Edit mode in the view. With the Edit mode enabled. It is a matter of double-clicking on a line of the run line file. Grippers appear on the line plan. Drag the grippers to change the line plan, or set the values numerically. Right-click and select Save to save the changes. The AutoNav Settings dialog opens again to set the waypoint spacing and lineup shape of the QGC file. The QGC file in the AutoNav plan view is updated. Do not forget to press the Send Waypoints button to send the updated file to the AutoNav system on the ASV. We can also edit the line plan from the guidance editor. Open the Guidance Settings. We open again the Runline page to select our Runline file. Remember that the file we select here must be the same as the shown QGC file. In this example, the Echo Boat Runline file. Then, press the Edit button to open the Guidance Editor. The Guidance Editor opens. Edit the file. You can double-click on the line pattern to show grippers. Drag the grippers to change the line pattern. When the changes are done, open the File menu and select Save. When we exit the Guidance Editor, we see the AutoNav Settings dialog is opened again. Set the values and press OK. We see the QGC file is updated with the changes made in the editor. Do not forget to press the Send Waypoints button to load the new line plan in the ASV AutoNav system. Then you start the mission of the ASV by pressing the Start Mission button. From the Basic Tuning page you can adjust the sailing and navigation behavior of the ASV. See the PDS ASV manual for an explanation. Embed the AutoNav Control view in your screen layout. Add other required views if necessary. A sonar wedge view, for example. Or, for example, also a side scan sonar view. Just the views we like to see in our acquisition. Then, just place the views in the screen using the PDS docking feature. For example, something like this. Then, we load our line plan. And there she is. As any other view in PDS, we have our layer control. Open the layer control. Click the plus sign to add a layer. The layers you can add are listed. As an example, we will add a CMap chart layer. The CMap chart is added as a background. Repeat this procedure to add from the layer control the information layers you like to see. The first waypoint of the line plan is the home position. You can change this home position. Right-click on the new location as the home position, and select the Set Home Here menu item of the opened context menu. The home position is changed. Press the Send Waypoints button to send the waypoint to the ASV. Press Start Mission. The ASV will start to navigate to the first waypoint, following the line plan. Open the tuning page to adjust the behavior of the autopilot control. The Seafloor ASV and PDS. Add the AutoNav Control view to the acquisition. Create a line plan in the PDS guidance. Send the waypoints to the AutoNav system. Edit the line plan if needed. Start your mission.